Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. Alright, so all we have to do right now is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Delete Browsing Data. So here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. We can change the time range, it's totally up to you, for example last 4 weeks, and then tap on Delete Data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on More Options, and here we've got them, so for example the tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks, and then simply tap on Delete Data. As you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.